Hey guys, it is Dani, and in this video we have three systems to talk about. So we have what is now Tropical Storm Edward. It is turbines designated as Invest 98L, a direct threat to the United States. Will that develop into a tropical cyclone? And we also have another disturbance. But before I go into details, please ensure to subscribe if you haven't and tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video, because that will keep you guys updated on tropical cyclone activity right throughout the hurricane season. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My other account is Weather Girl Dani, and my main account is Dani Henry Official. So first we want to take a look at that disturbance highlighted in yellow. So it is given a low 10% chance of formation right now, and so development is not anticipated due to unfavorable conditions that the system is going to encounter very shortly. But regardless, it will bring some heavy rainfall to portions of the Lesser Antilles, mostly the Leeward Islands, guys. So if you're there, please take the necessary precautions as you go throughout this week. It will start affecting you guys by Tuesday. And our next disturbance is what is designated as Invest 98L with a medium 40% chance of development during the next 5 days. And so right now it is located over the Florida Panhandle, and it is expected to curve back out into the Atlantic right off the east coast of the US, and in that shaded area right there is where we could see some development taking place right off the coast of the Carolinas and Virginia. And so regardless of it not being a tropical cyclone, at least at the moment, it will bring that heavy rainfall to portions of Florida and also Georgia and the Carolinas throughout most of this week. And when it is off the east coast, we could see some development, so we're expecting this formation chance to be going up. And satellite view right now, here we have it, no organization at all, but we're seeing that somewhat cluster right there. And so when it moves across the states into the warm ocean waters of the Atlantic, as I said, that is where we are expecting to see some development taking place with this system. And so if it develops into a tropical cyclone, it will acquire the name FAY. And so for the potential intensity, here we have some of our models agreeing that it will reach tropical storm status. Probably about by the midweek or so, it will emerge off the east coast, and that is where we're expecting some development. And next we want to go on to Tropical Storm Edward. So right now the storm has winds of 45 miles per hour. It has strengthened slightly, and so additional strengthening is possible but not really anticipated, because the system is expected to transit into an extratropical cyclone very soon, probably by this afternoon, and it is accelerating quickly to the northeast at a very quick 37 miles per hour. So this could dissipate by Wednesday, and the remnants could affect the UK. So if you're there, please be cautious of that. And on satellite view right now, here we're seeing it is looking fairly organized at this time, guys. And so at least for the next few days, it is not expected to be a threat to land. But if you're in the UK, you still want to be a bit cautious going into the end of this week, guys. And so that is really it for this video. So if you found this video to be pretty informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I will try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And just remember to always be weather-wise, and I will keep giving all your necessary updates on the tropics as time goes by.